To fix the Fiverr verification code not working issue, follow these steps to resolve the problem easily. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as a weak or unstable connection can prevent the verification code from being sent or received. Next, check your email account for the verification email sent by Fiverr, as it may have gone to your spam folder. If you find the email in the spam folder, mark it as not spam to ensure future emails from Fiverr go to your inbox. Then, verify that you are using the correct email address associated with your Fiverr account. If you are using the correct email address and still not receiving the verification code, try resending the verification code from the Fiverr website. If resending the verification code does not work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Then try resending the code again. This will ensure that you are not experiencing any technical issues with your browser. Additionally, check if your email account is blocking emails from Fiverr, as some email providers may block emails from certain senders. If your email account is blocking Fiverr emails, you will need to add Fiverr to your email account's safe senders list. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Fiverr customer support for further assistance. They will be able to provide more specific guidance and help you resolve the problem. It is also important to note that Fiverr may experience technical issues that can prevent verification codes from being sent. In such cases, waiting for a few hours and trying again may resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Fiverr verification code not working issue and successfully verify your account. Remember to always use a valid email address and ensure that your email account is not blocking emails from Fiverr.